Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm going to show you how to make beef stew that's so good, you'll wish it was winter all year round. First, grab about 2 pounds of beef chuck. Cut it into bite-sized pieces, season it with salt and pepper, and dust it lightly with flour. Trust me, coating the meat helps you get that beautiful, rich flavor in every bite. Heat up a heavy pot. I like using my Dutch oven and brown the beef in batches. Don't rush this step. Get a nice sear, then set the beef aside. In the same pot, toss in chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Scrape up all those yummy brown bits from the bottom. That's where the magic happens. Now add a spoonful of tomato paste and a splash of red wine if you have it. Let it bubble away for a minute, then pour in some beef broth. Toss the beef back in, add a couple of bay leaves, and bring it all to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook low and slow for at least 2 hours. You want the beef meltingly tender and the flavors deep and comforting. About 30 minutes before serving, throw in diced potatoes. When your kitchen smells incredible and the stew's thick and hearty, it's time to dig in. Serve with crusty bread and don't forget to share seconds. Homemade beef stew, it's the ultimate comfort food and you just nailed it.